And that's when we dropped the pig out of the window, and her pants came off.
That's fine.
Yeah, and then the car exploded.
The car exploded?
Yeah, it was awesome.
That's totally epic.
Man, who's behind you? Dude?
Yeah?
Look behind you. Dude?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Is he dead?
Oh my god.
What? Oh my god, wait a minute.
God. Look at his face.
Oh no.
It's the fucking pizza guy, man.
Oh my god, it's the pizza guy.
Oh my god. Well, that means we're not going to get our pizza.
Yeah, but his car's still outside.
Oh,
Let's go get it.